Here's a yummy smoothie recipe for you. So let's start off with a cup of blueberries. Lots of beautiful antioxidants in there. So oxidation is kind of like rust in our body. Causes inflammation and bad things to happen in our cardiovascular system and our brain. And antioxidant foods help to combat that. So that was 1 cup of berries. I'm going to put in 1 cup of coconut milk. You could also use whatever milk is your choice. And then for some yummy healthy fat, I'm going to put in half of an avocado. It just makes the consistency of the smoothie really nice and creamy and adds vitamins and minerals. Healthy fats are beautiful for our arteries, for our skin, our eyes, our joints. And then I have about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So cinnamon is another antioxidant. It's great for stabilizing blood sugar and it just tastes really yummy. This is about a rounded teaspoon of instant coffee. So we're going to have a mocha latte smoothie. And this is 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. So I love flaxseed for lots of reasons. It's a great fiber, so it goes to your intestines, and it's a prebiotic food, meaning that it ferments in our intestines and then turns into good bacteria. The beautiful thing about flaxseed also is it helps one of our estrogen metabolism pathways to work better, so that our estrogen breaks down into an estrogen that's not quite as potent or not one of the ones that can cause problems like increase our risk for breast cancer or uterine cancer. So anyway, I'm going to add those in there. Flaxseed is also very rich in omega-3 fats, which are good for, again, our cardiovascular system, our skin, our hair, our joints. And then yummy, yummy chocolate. So this is just cocoa powder. And it has tons of antioxidants as well, vitamins and minerals. So I like a lot of chocolate. That's about 3 tablespoons. And then for my protein source, I'm going to go with a clean whey protein. This protein powder is made from pastured cows. I buy it on Amazon. It's very cost effective. It's 5 pounds for about $60. This is unflavored, but it does come in flavored also. And this provides me with about 20 grams of protein. So we're going to blend this little puppy up. I used to put greens in here also, some kind of spinach or something like that. But currently I'm off greens, and that's about an oxalate issue that I'm struggling with, and that's a whole other video. So we'll just blend it here on our handy dandy high-speed blender. Thick, creamy, cold, luscious. Very good. Kind of like a breakfast dessert kind of thing. My favorite. Enjoy your day.